Hello and welcome back to Precious Memory Box's Junk Journaling. My name is Bobby and I have got the November 2025 Vintage Market Collection subscription kit from Pink Monarch Prints. They did a flip through yesterday on their channel and I just wanted to share it with you again too. And then sometime during the month, we're going to also maybe put the gold kit together on the channel here. But I just wanted to flip through the kit in case you hadn't seen it yet. And it's a beautiful kit. The gold kit that comes with it is called Joyful Cheerfolio. So, but I'll show you at the end. The primary kit here has 56 pages. And it is loaded with the ephemera, pockets, journaling pages, everything you can think of. So we've got a couple pages of Christmas ephemera here. Trying to make sure I stay in camera for you guys. And then so there's another one. And then we have the journaling pages, which are smaller than the background pages. So you have these. And I believe there are 8 to 10 of them. So we'll just flip through those. Love the vintage Christmas colors. So this kit is not completely Christmas, but definitely can be used for Christmas, which I love. These little star-like pockets. Here's some more pockets or envelopes. Let's see, I got that one upside down. There we go. And then we've got some ephemera pieces for you, just journaling cards, other little tidbits. Look at that vintage camera there. And I love all the strips of paper washi, I guess you could say, kind of. And then we've got the index cards or file folder type cards. And then we have some more ephemera here. I think there's 2 more pages if you want to do kind of a non-Christmas theme. But we do have like the cardinal. And those could be like Christmas flowers there. Here's some more ephemera pieces. And look at these, the photo frame, or the, film strip. That's what it is, film strip frames. I love those. Those would make great layering pieces. Then we're going to have 20 background pages, and there's a great neutral. And kind of a grungy stripes. I think there's another page there. I haven't put anything on the back of these yet because I'm, haven't completely decided what I'm going to do. But we have some green stripe or red stripes, some green stripes, and then I love this plaid. And this is almost like a tapestry. I love that. We've got a grid paper. And here's another neutral. There's a red. I believe there's 20 sheets in all. So lots and lots of choices in the kit. And you can definitely back these. There's enough neutrals in here to back all of these pages. And then we have this gorgeous deep green. I love that page. I think that would make a beautiful cover page. And here we have some pockets and tags, journaling cards, more pockets. Here are some more pockets. or you can use them as toppers. And I like these. These are like library type cards. And then these you can cut the center out of and kind of like, if you were to put that down in it, the medallion would show through it there. Some tags there. Let's see. Oh, this may be, let me see. This might be part of our other kit. Let me check. No, I think it's still part of this one. Just trying to remember where one starts. Yeah, here's the other one. So, nope, this one's still part of the main kit that you're getting. There are two ways to get the subscription kits. You can go to pinkmonarchprints.com and subscribe there. They have two kit options. You can check those out and see which one works best for you. And it really is the best value because you get, if you just get the main kit, you get up to 50 pages or more. And so this one is 56 for $8.99 a month. And if you get their larger, their $14.99 kit, you also get the smaller kit I'm going to show you here included. The other way you can get their kit is go to their Etsy shop on Etsy at Pink Monarch Prints, and you can just do a one-time purchase if you want. Love that. I just love that plaid. Lots of great pieces, and look at these. I'm calling them medallions, but maybe they're meant to be like buttons, but I just love those. And then you've got some words, sentiments, and then you've got some backs to go on some of the cards. If you want to create a writing space, this will fit the backs of some of the cards in the kit. So that is your first kit. I think it's called the, it's escaped me now. I think it's called the Premier Kit. And then this is part, if you do the gold kit, you get this extra kit, which this is the Joyful Cheer folio. So it's an extra project. So you have a couple neutral pages here that go with it. And then you have this here. And there's usually a video within the first couple days on Pink Monarch Prints YouTube channel that shows you how to put this kit together. So you could get it prepared and have it cut out if you want. And be ready to make the folio. I think I've got it all upside down. We'll flip it around there. And so all these pieces are pieces that you can use for the folio. Love the winter scenes in those. Large pocket there. Look at that. It's going to be a large folio. And then some ephemera pieces with the cardinal. That's so pretty. Some tags, and then I have a couple extra. These are just extra pages that I printed. So that is part of your gold kit, is this second kit. So make sure you go to Pink Monarch Prints, check out their subscription kit options, or check out their Etsy shop. They have over 500 printables, if I remember right. So make sure you go check those out. And we will, when I get back, I'm going out of town for a couple days, but when we get back, we will work on putting this together. So I hope you will join me again, and I hope you guys will also check out, I usually do a couple videos a month for Pink Monarch Prints, and they're on their channel. So I hope you will follow me over there and watch. And thank you so much for joining me today. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.